guys, welcome back to Dutton Vlogs, guys. And as you've just seen, we are loading up for the Minibike Champ 2018 Minibike Champ. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are getting ready for the 2018 Minibike World Championship, guys. Get ready for these vlogs. I'm so excited, guys. It's been held at Kettering. But guys, this time last year, I was crowned Minibike World Champion in the youth class. But now I have gone up into the pros or expert A+. So it's going to be a lot harder this year. They're going to be running 160s and I've only got my 140 pit bike engine. But guys, I don't really know what else to say, guys. Just get ready for today's vlog. And yes, guys, let's get the vlog started. But Generator has just sent me a parcel. So yes, but just about to go now. And let's go get the parcel. It is a lovely, lovely day today for a lovely occasion. So yeah, just walking over now. Hopefully, I have got my black current generate. It's my parcel. So guys, got the generate. Oh yeah, Senna's leaving today, aren't you? He's going back, but he'll be at the Minibike Championship. So yeah. New bottle, because somebody bit it, didn't they, Alex? Station 1, made it out to the services. I think I'm going to get myself a Mickey D's. You're not getting a KFC, I'm getting Mickey D's.
It's got a Supreme hat on.
The machine's out of service, so you're going to have to go get one from here.
Is it a spicy mayo or
hot spicy mayo, please. So, got myself a McDonald's chicken legend meal, as you probably just heard. But yeah, But yeah, let's get this journey started again. Guys, I've just gone out, unloaded all the camper, done all of that. Here at Oakley, James is at the back looking like a freak. And yeah, let's go have a look at the track. Ladies first.
Where's your Canon G7X?
A new one. Oh, this looks amazing. See your tongue. Why is your tongue like that? You've been eating wild berries.
Got a hole in my head, carefully entwined on the roots of the dead. Somebody help me out.
Hiya.
So, Oakley is actually vlogging. Oakley, point at yourself and say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, me and Oakley just trying to find like a BMX track after the track walk. Guys, the track's looking unbelievable. Just really looks really good. So yeah, me and Oakley just walking around and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Found like a cool enduro track, or I know they do run Polaris races here, but there's like an enduro track walking around here, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, look at that, guys. That's Oakley vlog. Oakley's had to go for his dinner now. Got the RC car out, so yeah, let's see what they're up to.
Oh, put it on here.
Get that camera out my face. I'm gonna be like this, I'm gonna hit this shot and just go. Next day, when we're out.
Oh, it goes in number order, that's why.
So guys, just about to get all kitted up now. When the second group is Price, Cole and Bradley. They're probably the only people I know in that group, so let's get dressed. So I'm all kitted up now, but guys, I won't be using my Gevos, I don't think, this weekend because they haven't actually sent me any tariffs in time. So I'm going to have to be using Alex's 100% goggles. So big shout out to Alex for lending me his goggles. See, that's why I will not be able to wear my Gevos. But guys, just about to head out now because I'm the third group out. So I'll see you guys when I'm back. Right, so I've just got back from the first practice. And guys, my bike is still not working right. After we went to Redrix, if you haven't seen that vlog, it's there. It just keeps misfiring. Had a whole new engine put in, but I think it's something to do with the electrics or the carb. So just gonna do that now, and yeah. So guys, I think we found the problem. The air filter has burnt a hole straight through it, so it's been sucking air through this. So that's what I think is the problem. So hopefully it is.
I'll find it.
10%. How was it?
It actually tastes like ice cream. It actually tastes like ice cream.
Here we observe a wild prize talking to youngers. Here's Oakley, playing with his ice cream. Oh no, he's spotted me. Reaching out for some more squishies, but it's a sushi.
Right, I'll hold it for you. Speak.
See the dribble come out there. Dribbler, dribbler, ooh, ooh. Liar.
So yeah, just watched a bit of the other racing as you just saw. But now, just gonna go out for my second practice. Hopefully the bike is okay now. We'll put the old air filter on, so yeah. So guys, just got in now from that go. My bike's still not working, so we've come over to miniature park and they're gonna see what they can do.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about you.
So lunch break now for about an hour, so just walking the track. Price, no, Carl and Ewan. So yeah, it was actually Cole who I went into. Got my Bucci back now, so that's all good. He said it's all okay, so yeah. But look, they've walked with the track loads, so pretty wet the track. Looking forward to it, and yeah. So guys, my bike is so much better. It's running a lot better than it was last time. Bit more power, and it's not spluttering so much. So it's really good with that. So big shout out for Miniature Parts for doing that. They really helped me out today. So yeah, I got third in my first qualifying, so I've got one more qualifying left, and I'll be sticking the GoPro on for that, and yeah. I just got in now from the last qualifying of the day. Quite happy with my result. I got third and third. So been quite a good day. All dressed now. Wearing the Supreme bait and my jeans with socks. And I'm with Oakley. Hi Oakley. How did you do?
Good.
How did you find the track?
Good.
Like it?
Yep.
Enjoying it? Where did you come?
11 to race, I think. I'll go look.
Let's go, look. Wait for me. So that's the end of the day with all the racing. Just mucking around.
Man's putting his shoes on.
Oh. You bad? Wheelies?
Really good.
Are you really good at wheelies, Luna?
I'm really good. Whoa, skillet in the village. Right guys, so it's now the end of today's vlog. It's the first day of qualifying, completely finished, and as I did say before, I have made it into the Pro 160 class. What I came here today and what I was really excited to do, and I even did it on a 140 pit bike. Well, they're running 160, a lot faster than my 140 pit bike. So very happy with myself. They've ripped all the track up, so the track is looking Dino, so primo for tomorrow. So yeah, really excited for tomorrow guys, and I'll pick it up in the morning, so I'll see you guys then. Right guys, so it's now the morning, got my generate, got 4 minutes of practice today, and I've made it into the Pro, so I'm happy. So yeah, just walking down through the paddock now, and yeah.
What, just like normal cardio?
No, it's generate.
Yeah, like energy.
Yeah.
Like really fast.
I'm really upset I wouldn't like the same race.
I'm just fast as
So guys, this is today's race schedule. We're going to be doing practice, will only be 4 minutes long. I'll obviously be last because I'm in the pros. Then it'll be race time, will be 12 minutes plus 1 lap, and we're just going to be the last group again. As you do not, I've had to run 100% because my I hadn't had no G-Zo tails because I was a bit late of asking them, but my 100% tails do actually fit my G-Zo, so I'll be using them. So you guys, just about to head out now for my first race with the 160s. I think I'm going to hit the outside for get good gate picks, so got about 11 gate picks, so not too great. But just going to help the outside because my bike's a lot slower, so just let them bundle up and just go around the outside, so I'll see you guys after.
and crisps and stuff, so.
Got in now for my first race. I did alright, got quite an alright start, got into 8th, made a very silly mistake, hit one of the insides and lost about 4 positions. So got 120, so took 2 seconds off my fastest time, and yeah, but I'm gonna head up for next race soon. Pretty excited, and hopefully I can get the 8th. Just hit with Justin Rowan, me, Freddie, Leo. Just watching now the vets, so yeah. So I've actually taken my handguards off, so I'll be able to pull the clutch in a lot more. But just about to head out for my second race. There's another one after my next one. Pretty excited, gonna have some generator before I go out, then I'll see you guys when I'm back, so hopefully I can get the victory. So guys, just came into that race, wasn't a good race. I had 3 crashes, crashed on the start, took my front wheel out, then I crashed again going down the hill, what hurt quite a bit, so just cut my arm a bit. Yeah, I've got one more race and just gonna go see if I can go consistent in that. Should be short, I know. So guys, I just thought it just pulled it down. So I'm not sure if they're gonna still run all the races, but don't know. Guys, just about to get head up on the next. As you do know, it has been pouring itself down. Just put a new air filter cover on, so no water or no mud gets into the air filter. Got some duct tape here. Because we are duct taping the side bit of the bike up so no mud and stuff gets inside. So now I've finished it both sides so that I stop all muck and water getting into the air filter, and let's go up for my race. So just got back in from that race. I did stall it twice. Not having the best of the day, but the mud race was really great fun, guys. My bike is filthy. But yeah, really enjoyed that race. Did get 13th, so we're just gonna mess around now for the rest of the night, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, as you know, it was a total mud race, that last race. We've had to clean all the bikes with like screwdrivers and just get all the main parts off. So just messing around now on the jumps.
That is the ligaments.
Show me your knee.
That's what mine looks like. Wow. Are you putting this on YouTube? Are you not going to go to the hospital?
Guys, the track is actually looking prime at the moment. Looking amazing. But we have just watched the KSI versus Logan Paul fight.
We bring off the cars back.
Logan Paul won. No, it's a draw actually. Piece of shit. Yeah.
Bring off. What's the most greasy meal you can do me? Greasiest, nicest meal you can do.
Probably one, man.
I don't know what I want, that's why I'm asking.
I know what I'm having.
A big sausage, sausage bacon.
Can I have jumbo sausage, chips and curry?
Right guys, so just about to go to bed now. Supporting Price and Sam back because they're lost. Only chicken. But yeah, about to go to bed now. Pick up the vlog in the morning. So I'll see you guys then. It's gonna be a mudda. Yeah. Right, so it's now the morning, guys. It's an early start. Got 4 minutes of practice today. But a big shout out to Freddie for washing my helmet and my kit and my boots for today. Bike is as clean as we could get it. So very looking forward to today. It's starting to rain now a tiny bit. It's supposed to rain from 11 till about 4:30. So it's rain continuous all day. Got my nice warm backflip shirt on, and yeah, it's gonna be a mudda. So guys, as you remember, one of our good friends, Mickey Bennett, who's suffering from cancer, is actually here at the Minibike Champs. Getting ready now to head up to practice, wearing my all white gloves, and yeah. So it's starting to rain now quite a bit. Just gonna have a look at my times and what I've just got then in practice, so yeah. So just about to head out now for my first race of the day, and it is pouring itself down. Let me just show you a quick clip of the KLX 110 race. And look how bad that is, guys, and it's raining even more. I've still got 2 more classes to go out, so probably gonna take my goggles off halfway through the race. So see you guys when I'm back, and hopefully I do okay. From that race, did get 13th, didn't get a very good start, but I was pulling through, picking people off, just really enjoyed that race. But guys, I am so muddy. You look at the bikes, my front mud guards actually snapped off. Tell you what, my time was a result in that last one. So I'm just about to head down after my last one, done nothing to my bike, red clean my hand at the moment. loads of recording myself down. Even more guys, so I'm just going to use my camera. I'm just going to go out. I'm not going to go out. I'm just dropping out this guys. So I'll see you guys after. So guys, just going up my last race. As you can tell, it's a complete mud one. I lost my front mud guard, covered in mud. I did get Ken so pretty happy with that, but yeah, it's a complete washed out that race. Oh no. So guys, it's now the current day. We are back from the Minibike Champs World Championship, guys. And as you could remember how dirty the bikes were, we've now got to do the dirtiest job of them all, and that's washing the bikes down. Pit. Stuff. Oh no. So while my dad's washing down the bike, I'm gonna press all my helmet down, get all like the mud from all the weird places and that, clean it down, make that all shiny, get all the water out of this. That's all soaked in that. Chivo goggles, they're all clean now, and it's just cleaning his bike. And that both make people go, ha! Because the other branding, don't you? So guys, just finished now, just cleaning up my helmet, done all my goggles. Yeah, still washing my exact bike down. We've still got to do Alex's now. It's now 1:30, so it's about 10 or 11. It's just so muddy, my bike. It's ridiculous how everything's so muddy. And yeah, that's just a quick update for you guys. I'll speak to you in a bit.
Yeah, very nice and pink.
Right guys, so we've just got in now. Both of the bikes are all clean now. Still missing the front mud guards, but not too sure if I might actually get new graphics for the Minibike Supercross at the Dirt Bike Show in November. Alex's bike's all done. So now all the bikes are nice and clean. Right guys, so it's now the end of the 2018 Minibike Champs World Championship, sponsored by Backflips, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. I'd like to give a massive shout out to Jamie and the crew for putting on another amazing event, guys. But guys, comment down below if you're actually liking this backflip stuff. Go to their website, they've got some awesome clothing on there, and some news will be on that very soon. But yeah guys, I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, guys. Sorry for not uploading on Wednesday. I'm going to try to upload vlogs now on a Wednesday and a Saturday as well, guys. So that's when the vlogs will be going up. But guys, remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, and subscribe. So yes.